अच्छा सुनना यार विक्रांत,
बोलना क्या है?
देखो सुनने को भी इतना टाइम लगता है क्या? बोलना क्या है? ये क्या होता है इतना टाइम?
I take my time to reply to you
मतलब what is it that you need to take your time to reply to me?
because I have 2 or 3 replies already playing in my mind. I decide upon the most irritating one to give to you.
You know what? I need another यार now. तुझसे नहीं होगा,
अरे
तुझसे नहीं होगा.
ठीक है ना. So we'll do one thing. We have made some new friends ना अभी with the अच्छा सुनना है यार campaign. हाँ,
Yeah, we
तो
have.
उनमें से एक को बुलाते हैं and we'll talk
हाँ.
and we'll have honest conversations with them ना.
Cool. I mean, definitely वो आइडिया था ही मेरे मन में, बट क्या तो मुझे बात करने देगा कि तो फिर से मेरे को बीच में काटेगा.
वो तो तेरे को तभी पता चलेगा जब बात शुरू होगा ना.
ओके ठीक है, फाइन. एटलीस्ट एक थर्ड पर्सपेक्टिव मिल जाएगा कॉन्वर्सेशन को. सो अच्छा सुना यार, बेवली को बुलाए.
चलेगा, मेरे को कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. I don't
ओके
have an issue.
ओके कूल. तो एक काम कर, बेवली को ऐड कर कॉल पे एंड लेट्स हैव एन ऑनेस्ट कन्वर्सेशन.
Okay, this will be fun. So I'll add her now. Okay.
कूल.
A few moments later.
अच्छा सुनना यार बेवरली, हमारे व्यूअर्स को, हमारे ऑडियंसेस को तेरे बारे में कुछ पता नहीं है, तो कैन यू जस्ट टेल अस समथिंग अबाउट व्हाट यू डू, हु आर यू एंड व्हाट आर योर कॉजेस?
ठीक है. Okay, I'm ready with this. So, hi, I'm Beverly, and currently I'm working as a counselor in Akanksha Foundation. So it's an NGO, and it works with children from underprivileged communities. So my connection with Acha Sunnayar is just very random. I can't explain it. It just happened. But it's mental health, which is something that I'm working for in that cause, and just connecting it to relationships and us being together in the pandemic, reaching out to your friends. So I just think that these are two causes that I'm really passionate about. So just bringing that together.
दैट्स ऑसम. अच्छा सुना विक्रांत, तेरे को कुछ पूछना है कि नहीं, कि सब मैं ही पूछते जाऊं?
Okay. So basically, I'm gonna start off with my favorite question that I always love to ask when anyone new comes on our YouTube channel okay. So basically, with this pandemic and everything, people are like stuck at home, going insane, and with boredom and everything. So there are things that a person does that, like Sushrita likes to talk under her breath for some reason. So, but there are things that people do, to keep themselves out of the mundane life. Like for instance, I like to write. Sushrita likes to behave like a mad person and stuff like that. So I call it, for lack of a better term, I like to call it my fortress of solitude. My writing is my fortress of solitude. And so, what in your case is your fortress of solitude? Would you say?
I think there are lots of things, because even before the pandemic, I basically spent all my time at home. So I was like, "Mera ghar to mera fortress hi hai," and I have all my sections and everything. So writing, definitely one big thing for me, just like blogging about things that are on my mind. Then there's also art, and I love reading. I have my own personal library of like books that I really love.
Me too.
Yes, right.
Me too.
So yeah, so Amazon online delivery and me, it's been a thing. And so I think those are the three main things. And then also I've been very like, I don't want to video call people, but because of the lockdown, friends are like, video call करने का यही opportunity है. So that's also been like one way to just be connected. And those four things are like my pillars of my fortress. It's been all of that.
Wow, that's just so amazing. Vikrant, watch it. तेरी अभी धीरे धीरे बैंड बजने वाली है, just FYI, okay? So when it comes to the concept of Fortress of Solitude, it is all about, creating that sort of atmosphere and space around you for yourself, jahan pe, you're just one with yourself. It doesn't really, that's your safe space, or that's the space that you can truly call your own, and that's just something that belongs only and solely to you. I feel that कुछ लोगों के लिए ये fortress of solitude मिलना या ढूंढना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है because of various issues, various circumstances that they may be facing. So Beverly, in such instances and such cases, how do you think a person can come up with their own fortress of solitude?
I think so. I'm going to use an example of like from my own work. And so for a lot of kids, they're in houses that are really small and they don't get enough, of their own space, personal space, and ways to just have time for themselves. So we try and first find out what are they interested in, or ways that they like to express themselves. So we've seen that art has been one way for younger kids, some older kids also to express themselves. So when we are on call with each other, we just try to make sure that we're talking about that you can take time out, you can try and, use your art, or just encourage them through whatever they do. So some kids have been taking time, like after their classes, just writing down poems and sending it to us. So through that, just encouraging them that even if you find like 10 minutes, try and use it for yourself. And not just for kids, but for adults also.
Right.
So a lot of mothers, we had a session where they were like, all the skills that we had before, things that we enjoyed doing, after having kids, we stopped doing that. So we had a session with all parents, and on Mother's Day also we had that.
Ooh.
And so they just focused on themselves, what skills they had, and they drew their hand and wrote it all inside.
Awesome.
So just things like that, just encouraging someone that, if there's something you like, to try and do that, then they might want to take out time and be able to find their niche and all that. That's what I think. But I would like you all to share.
That's actually so cool. I mean, when you revisit, what happens is when we find ourselves in absolute chaos, we tend to forget that there are actually certain comfort spaces that we originally had. Like, and that's something that we've been developing since a very young age. So like in my case, when I was a small little kid, my mom had given me an entire wall in our old house where I would draw, scribble, and do whatever. Now I have grown up, and this is the result of that.
Oh my gosh.
And I'm just so thankful that I was able to realize my potential in that way, that okay, this is something that I do, and I'm actually able to utilize it. I for the longest time had lost touch with art. There was like this whole phase wherein I was just like, okay, studies, work, studies. I didn't really have time for arts and crafts, and I realized that, oh shit, this is something that this is my space, and this is just me in it. And then it was like, I attended a workshop on fluid art, and then I was like, oh, okay, I can actually revisit this again, and this could be something that I can use to take care of myself. And when I'm in that zone, there may be tens of thousands of people probably just coming into my room, going out of my room, doing 10,000 things. But I know that when I'm sitting with my artwork, that's just the space that I and my artwork share. So that's like absolutely awesome.
Flow.
Unlike what Vikrant said, that I like talking under my breath and all of that rubbish, I apparently have a very creative side, and I am actually a writer myself, in the process of being a writer. So Vikrant, मैं और पोल खोलूं अभी कि थोड़ा बाद में के लिए छोड़ूं?
No, so as a writer, sometimes essentially sometimes my writing can go a bit dark, and I myself sometimes tend to put myself in a dark space when I'm writing. But of late, I've come to realize that it does most of the times when I've associated my writing is like I write best when I'm in a dark state. But of late, I've been coming to the realization that writing does not have to come from a dark space. My writing does not have to come from, just because I am I write dark stuff does not mean it has to come from a dark space. For me, currently, like what I'm realizing is writing for me is therapy. In a lot of sense, writing for me is therapy. I'm putting whatever dark things that I have in my brain onto that paper, and
Yeah.
I am starting to leave them there rather than take them along with me.
Yeah.
Like some of the things, like when Sushrita and I first met, and I started telling her, okay, I write about this and I research about this, and like she for sure thought that I was a sociopath.
I did not. I did not. You only said you must be thinking I'm a sociopath.
ये सब perception है ये.
हाँ देखो भाई साहब.
No, but like sometimes in the name of research, I can read I have read some pretty gory, some pretty disturbing stuff, and that's normal for me. After some point.
You know, like it's so the thing is, I avoid having certain discussions with Vikrant at night because it may probably be coming out of the, you know, the dark space that he created for himself, or the dark space that he so likes to explore. And I am number one fattu. I get scared, like
Yeah.
I get scared. So
You're protecting yourself from that.
Yeah. So I'm like, okay, I know that this is it's not something that's going to work for me. So I'm like, okay, Vikrant, if you have something to talk to me about, you know, the gory dark stuff, I guess daytime would be a better time for us to do it.
Yeah, 6 p.m. ka cut off.
हाँ, like not 6 p.m. like 9 p.m. का cut off. 9 p.m. के बाद मेरे फटने का zone शुरू हो जाता है. So इसको मैं बोलती हूँ यार दिन में बात करते हैं इसके बारे में. एंड द ब्यूटीफुल पार्ट इज कि ये समझता भी है. तो इट्स लाइक हम बात करते हैं, वी टॉक, वी लिसन, वी कम्युनिकेट विद ईच अदर अबाउट व्हाट्स प्रिसाइसली गोइंग ऑन इन अवर माइंड. एंड उसके वजह से आई फील, यू नो, काम करना, चीजें करना बहुत स्मूथली और बहुत इजीली हो जाता है. एंड that's basically another thing that we're trying to do through the AMP is that, and through these honest conversations, is that we want to encourage people to just, you know, open up and talk. Like बात करो. I know कभी कभी किससे बात करूं, कैसे बात करूं, वो थोड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है, बट एटलीस्ट हम कोशिश तो कर सकते हैं आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए कि हम किसी से बात कर सके. और अदरवाइज अगर वो भी पॉसिबल नहीं है, हम लोग तो है यार यहाँ ऐप पे तुम लोग की सुनने के लिए. अगर वो भी तुम लोग को एक ऑप्शन नहीं लगता है, देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ हेल्पलाइंस वेयर यू कैन जस्ट सिंपली कॉल एंड जस्ट टॉक. और वो पेशेंटली आपका सुनेंगे. तो बट द होल थिंग इज दैट कि भैया बात करो, express करो, take it out. Just like Vikrant said, when he writes it down, he gets it out and he leaves it there. He doesn't take it in with him. So what would you like to say on this, Beverly?
I think that's what art does. Like any kind of art, you know, most people that you talk to about it, they would say that art is like, you know, 5th standard mein kiya humne, bas ho gaya, you know, we're drawing and everything. But art is like stories and writing, and it's singing, poetry, music. It's so much, and it's like what you connect with to express yourself and just put your feelings out there. So whatever works for you, right? It's not some childish thing. And people don't see that connection. Like how Vikrant said, it can be like a therapeutic process for you. And yeah, that's so important to do. I think.
No, but see, we've also noticed this when like from the we have a magazine and we run writing contests every month. So one month the theme was Navrasas. So the 9 emotions. Okay, and we realized that it's just easy for people to write something that is horror falls under the horror genre.
Really? Why?
Because 90% of the submissions that we got were from the horror genre.
And I was too scared to read them. I was like, Vikrant, we are not going to read them after 9 p.m. I literally had to be like, Vikrant, listen. Okay, because what would happen is दिन में we didn't have a choice. I'm working, he's busy. तो हम लोग रात को ही कर पाते हैं ये सारे conversations. And I'm like, Vikrant, सुन, जैसे मेरे को spooky लगा ना, मैं earphones निकाले कि मैं पढ़ना बंद करें. And all of that. So I know how Vikrant has managed my fears during that time. Oh my God.
But what do you think could be the reason? Why do you think so many submissions are like that?
So because for now, and I know she's gonna sister is gonna pick up on this, and we like sometimes as writers we can be like fear attracts us, or else the darkness attracts us more like how the dirt attracts a pig sometimes.
Interesting analogy.
Can.
Okay.
Yeah, no, but because writing comes from that primal place in our mind, right? And what is more primal than fear? What is more primal than the darkness? That is
Okay.
something. See, I feel today because of the fear that we have to seek out mental health awareness, or to seek out help when we require it, that darkness inside us is growing. And that is another thing why we started the AMP, because we feel that people should have a safe space to vent out that darkness as well. So that darkness is growing, and that is why if you look at today, I interact with authors, I interact with literary bigwigs and everyone, and the horror genre is doing really well because people are attracted to that. Today, if you look at the best authors there are, these are the Stephen Kings of the world.
True.
Who write about the darkness, who don't shy away from the dark.
Yeah. And the pandemic is bringing out all of those dark things.
Yeah,
I know.
So
one of my best friends, one of my very good friends, Neil De Silva, who he was our author of the month for
yeah.
by the way. During the pandemic, his book actually beat Stephen King's books.
What?
Yeah, it did. Yeah, no kidding.
Wow. Okay.
He beat Stephen King in India's best-selling list.
That's amazing. I mean,
and
yeah.
he doesn't write those typical ghost horror. He writes psychological horror.
Okay. So you can see people's buying choices are reflecting their emotions. They're like, मन में ऐसा लग रहा है तो यही खरीदना चाहिए. So I'm like, yeah.
मतलब it's like ये एक theory रहा है मेरे मन में. It's like negatives are much more easier accessible than positives, क्योंकि negatives के लिए ज्यादा मेहनत नहीं करना पड़ता है. It is like इधर ही पड़ा हुआ है. Positives के लिए अपने को थोड़ा effort डालना पड़ता है. तो for example, अगर मैं विक्रांत को बोलूं, विक्रांत एक romance aspect लिख देना, please. He'll just give me a death stare, and he'll be like, what the hell are you expecting out of me? And I'm like, okay, fine, sorry, I'll write it. And he will be really good at writing all the dark stuff, and I'm like, okay. And even when I sit down to write, like I have been writing kitna abhi, I'm on my third short story. I have realized that mera bhi thoda like it's easier to think about all the negative aspects more than the positive. So like मैं कितना भी कोशिश करूँ to bring a positive twist, उसमें बहुत ज्यादा मेहनत जाता है. The dark side, it's like यहीं पे पड़ा हुआ है. And I think another very important factor causing or influencing this is the way things are portrayed in front of us in terms of be it digital media, be it print news, be it movies, be it whatever.
Yeah.
उसमें भी अगर एक तरीके से देखे, now this is my personal opinion, like everybody else of course has their own views about things, but this is what I think and feel, क्योंकि उनका भी influence इतना हो गया है हमारी lives में that negative seems so easy, and it's like it takes Herculean effort to do a good thing.
And also like reading about good stuff or positive things is difficult. So like let's take a medium like Instagram or something. If the pages that you follow and the content that you see is what comes in your mind, is what you're daily accessing. So if you're following pages that are really amplifying the fear aspect of it, then that's something you feel every day, like, oh, this is really scary and everything bad is happening. And so for me, it was like I need to curate my content. I need to see things that make me feel good. And so I had to take like an extra effort to like find those kind of pages that are posting things that I can more reflect on and feel a little better about. That also is really tough. So a lot of kids now are joining Instagram. Okay, and I'm talking about kids because like I'm working with them and everything.
Right.
But we're seeing younger kids joining Instagram, and then the content that they are accessing is stuff that might be really scary, and they are not in that zone ki like, "Arey, ye content मुझ पे ये असर करेगा" and all that. So it's
Right.
something that we really need to work on with them first, because they'll become the adults later on who would not realize what is affecting them. So I think that's also something to think about, put out there, and work on.
True,
No,
true,
but see,
absolutely.
my theory on this is very simple. When you are in a dark headspace, right,
Hmm.
it's much easier to deal with someone else's darkness rather than
Hmm.
deal with your own darkness. But when you read something happy and cheerful, now it just reminds you that you are in a dark headspace. So you tend to
That also
push
could
that
happen.
away.
Hmm. It's like
True.
seeing someone posting like a vacation photo when you're like at home and you're like, मैं तो vacation पे नहीं हूँ. So that's
Yeah.
also.
I mean, imagine the power of influence and how much
Hmm.
we're allowing things to influence us. That is why the concept of influencers has emerged so much, like Instagram
Hmm.
influencers, the social media influencers. Like, मतलब गारंटी के साथ लिख लो तुम इन्फ्लुएंसर हो, मतलब तुम इन्फ्लुएंस कर ही लोगे किसी ना किसी को, एंड
हाँ.
आप इन्फ्लुएंस हो भी जाओगे एज अ कंज्यूमर ऑफ दैट कंटेंट. इट्स सो डैम स्कैरी. आई मीन, ठीक है, जो इन्होंने डाला वहां पे उसको हमने सत्य वचन करके मान भी लिया.
Hmm.
हम खुद अपनी स्क्रीनिंग नहीं कर पाते बिकॉज वी the nature of the information that is brought in front of us is quite similar. इस इन्फ्लुएंसर को देखो, उस इन्फ्लुएंसर को देखो, इस पेज को फॉलो करो, उस पेज को फॉलो करो, यहाँ देखो, वहां देखो. एक
हाँ.
तरीके से the narrative is kind of sort of similar. एंड क्योंकि
So.
ये फिर वो हर्ड मेंटालिटी टाइप्स हो जाता है ना, अच्छा 10 लोग कह रहे हैं मतलब सही ही होगा टाइप्स.
Hmm. Yeah, it happens with so many things like that.
या on that note, so I do this a lot. I get reminded of songs and stuff which are relatable. So as a kid, I used to watch Barney and Friends. Okay, so I don't know,
हाँ.
this used to come on Pogo ki Nick
Yeah,
Junior.
yeah.
मेरे को याद नहीं आ
Pogo
रहा है.
नहीं.
So उसमें there was this song. I can tell what you're feeling. I can see it on your face. So
Okay.
उसमें एक line है,
So
but
you have to sing
feeling
it now
mad or
that you
sad
mentioned.
can only last a little while, but happiness can fill your hearts and bring you back your smile. And people have forgotten this.
Hmm. True.
And
You
imagine
can sing it again.
I, a 28-year-old, still, remembers these lines very clearly, that you're feeling mad or sad shall only last a little while, but happiness will fill your hearts and bring you back your smile. Something that I heard when I was a kid
Hmm.
still stays true and resonates with me today,
True.
which paradoxically speaking can also mean that actually positives do have a bigger impact than negatives. It's just that we are not able to realize it. I don't.
पता नहीं, like negatives, you tend to remember them very easily. I think because of the amount of emotion it brings up in you. Like if someone says something mean to you, and then you think about it, and then you're in the shower and you're like, I should have said this and to that person, and then years later you might remember it. But positive comments also, like if it's something that just brings up a lot of emotion for you, then I think like that song for you, maybe you just really connected to the words of it or something in the moment. So yeah, I think songs do that a lot. Like recently, I made a playlist because I was like, I'm in the zone. I'm gonna ask my friends to give me their playlist also, and then I'm going to just listen and understand who they are as people. So I was listening to my own playlist first, and there were some songs that I could remember when I was traveling to college in the
Uh-huh.
bus and all that. And I was like, yeah, I was thinking of these things. This is how I was feeling and everything. So it's so much emotion it brings back to you.
True,
That's
true,
also
true.
art.
Reminds me. Yeah, it reminds me of times when uh, the association of songs with memories, like
Mm.
the kind of
Yeah.
association that has. So yeah, there are so many songs that will ignite those memories back again as if it just happened yesterday. And then
Exactly.
the emotions follow through. So yeah, like definitely music is a very, very influential. No, I don't want to I don't want to use the word
So not
influential.
influential, but powerful
Um,
and
So
yeah.
I hold that same association with movies more than songs, to be
hmm.
honest. So as a kid, my father used to be out on tour most of the time because of his work. Like he used to be going to other cities for his work and everything. We didn't get to spend much time together, but when we did, we bonded on old Amitabh Bachchan movies. My father is a
Wow.
huge
Wow.
Amitabh Bachchan fan. I am a huge Amitabh Bachchan fan myself. So we
Hmm.
bonded over these old Amitabh Bachchan movies. Now, like I sit and I like to watch old Amitabh Bachchan movies and everything, and my wife gets so irritated. You have watched this movie. Why do you need to rewatch it? There are memories attached to that.
Yeah, yeah. And Sushita sang part of the song. So now you have to say a couple of lines from your favorite Amitabh Bachchan movie. It's only that's
Bol
the
bol.
rule now.
I, basically one of my very favorite parts of Amitabh Bachchan movies are basically because Kishore Kumar. There are Kishore Kumar songs in that, and I
Oh
love Kishore
yes.
Kumar songs
Oh
like
yes.
anything,
So
like anything. Like for instance, the other day I was watching Bombay to Goa of all things, and that very favorite song of Bombay to Goa that everyone loves. Like देखा ना है रे सोचा ना है
Oh,
रे रखी निशाने पे जान कदमों में तेरे निकले मेरा दम है बस यही अरमान.
oh wow,
So,
lovely.
no, but like these things like bonding with my father over Amitabh Bachchan movies, those are happy memories. And when I rewatch Amitabh Bachchan movies, and that's gonna be for life. I will, whenever I watch
Definitely.
an old Amitabh Bachchan movie, I will always remember being a kid sitting beside my father and loving and enjoying Amitabh Bachchan.
Yeah, so true. Yeah.
absolutely true, man. Oh my God. Like, wow. Guys, did you realize that we just started our entire conversation with the basic अच्छा सुनना यार?
Hmm.
And look at like कहाँ से कहाँ पहुंच गए यार हम लोग in conversations like so बस देर इसकी है कि हम conversation को initiate करें कैसे भी कुछ भी and I
Yeah.
feel अच्छा सुनना यार is a great way to initiate any conversation बस अच्छा सुनना यार बात करनी है करते हैं ना
Hmm.
कुछ एंड ठीक है यार यू कैन लिटरली टॉक अबाउट एनीथिंग बिकॉज कम्युनिकेशन एक अच्छा आउटलेट है ऑफ यू नो बीइंग एबल टू गेट आउट थिंग्स फ्रॉम योर सिस्टम एंड कम्युनिकेशन वो आई डोंट नो वो ह्यूमन टच जो होता है ना
Yeah.
उसकी कुछ और ही अलग बात होती है सो I swear to God, me and Vikrant, when we want to talk to each other, we prefer video calls over audio calls because we are like, नहीं यार एक दूसरे की शक्ल देखनी है एक दूसरे के फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस भी देखने हैं जब हम एक दूसरे से बात
Hmm.
करते हैं तो क्या होता
True.
है सो लाइक भले ये पैंडेमिक है हम एटलीस्ट यू नो वी आर कनेक्टेड लाइक ठीक है मैं विक्रांत को मिल नहीं पाती हूँ विच इज अ बोनस फॉर हिम क्योंकि मैं उसको उतना त्रास नहीं दे पाती हूँ इन पर्सन thing and all that shenanigans and yeah stuff like that but you know it's the human connect is just so important and I guess I realized that through this entire conversation and I guess that was the intent and purpose of honest conversations that we just be ourselves हम
Yeah.
कुछ और नहीं हम बस हम हैं और हम बातें कर रहे हैं क्योंकि हमको हमारे अंदर वो चाहत है जोर जोर से उमड़ रही है दैट नो हमें बात करनी है और हम बात करके ही रहेंगे
Yeah.
it's that will to and that push and that I don't know how to describe it but it feels so good I swear to God I feel so good right now I feel so good like
So
thank
true.
you so much Beverly thank you so much Vikrant for having this honest conversation with
No,
me
no.
I
So
hope
here's my 2 cents on Acha Sunna Yaar.
Hmm.
Okay. I as a writer, I'm always over here in my brain. I am like, I've always been that way. I like, people are like, people want to go out and talk to other people, and I've always very good at staying in the corner doing my work on my laptop. That's
यहाँ
my
पे दिखाई
happiest.
दे रहा
That's my
है. Yeah,
happiest.
yeah, I can see.
That's my happiest place in the world. Okay, but at the end of the day, I am a human being. I do need to interact with people, and the best way to do it is अच्छा सुनना है.
True.
इसको कॉल किया, अच्छा सुनना है यार, ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है, दिमाग का दही हो गया है मेरे. I like, the best part about having Sushmita as a friend is like, sometimes we can do nothing and just be on video chat. Like the other day, my wife is making chocolate cake of all these, and I am video chatting with her, showing her how my wife is making chocolate cake.
Yeah,
Nice.
it was fun. मजा आया.
Yeah, that is the whole thing, right? कि, like, it should just be you being you with someone else and just connecting, and that is, I think, the whole idea behind it is अच्छा सुनना यार and बस बातें करते हैं. And for me personally, like, the video call thing is, it scares me sometimes because I'm like, अरे, बहुत mental energy जाता है. But okay, or you can just text me again, be like, अच्छा सुनना यार, बात करते हैं, चाय पीते हैं एक साथ, we can discuss something. Just very chill and very nice. And like, over here, we started talking about something. We come to like music and Amitabh Bachchan movies, and it's really wonderful.
That is the
No, but
beauty.
like, that has always been like, for me and Sushmita, that has always been our dynamic. We can talk about anything under here, and when people come into that radius, now they can also talk about anything under this.
Absolutely. And that's why we did honest conversations. We're like, चलो यार, सब लोग बात करते हैं. सब बात करेंगे तो the more the merrier.
Yeah.
Like, we love, like, we want nothing but others to laugh and have fun, and that is why we love doing honest conversations, because people can do that. People can just laugh and have fun and talk about anything under the earth. Like, did you really think when you started this conversation that you would be talking about Amitabh Bachchan movies of all things?
No. Yeah, I didn't think I would this year talk about Amitabh Bachchan movies, but this is my quota stand for the year, maybe. Unless there's another honest conversation, I'll come prepared to sing an Amitabh Bachchan song from his movie.
So, like, we want to do it regularly. We don't get people that much who are willing to come and sit and waste 30-40 minutes of their life talking about nothing.
Okay, I'll bring people like that.
If we get those people, we would be like, every week we would have an honest conversation. Every week, like, it's fun.
Yeah, only thing is Vikrant has to sit and do all of the editing. That's all.
Yeah.
वो करेगा ना. He's like so excited. You can see his face.
वो करेगा. मतलब I have to, like, ऐसे conveniently Vikrant कर ले.
नहीं, this is fun. उसके बाद editing करना शुरू किया ना, फिर then my headache starts.
That time is like, you should video call Sushmita and be like, अच्छा सुनना यार, editing कर रहा हूँ, बस बैठे रहे यहाँ पे. Then you're like roping him.
I will trouble him like crazy. Then he'll be like, अच्छा सुनना यार, बस कर, मेरे को काम करने दे.
No, see, we have this tendency, like, we get in each other's craw a lot. We know which buttons to push. We know how to irritate the other person.
We're admitting this on a public forum.
Yeah.
No, we know exactly how to irritate the other person. We know what's gonna make them laugh. We know what's gonna make them the other person cry. We know each other's insecurities at this point.
यहाँ पे reveal मत करो. Like, already Sushmita said कि she gets scared by all this stuff. So हाँ, एक secret काफी है.
So like it's like we know कि हम लोग एक दूसरे को कैसे मतलब how can we like completely irritate the other person. So
Yeah.
we also know कि we should give each other space as well.
That's very nice. That is a good friendship.
And we like if we are feeling down, or if you are feeling completely like matlab going into that dark space, we know that we can just call. Help is just a call away. At least a person who will listen to you is just a call away.
That's very important.
A person
Like
who will listen.
I'm like if I'm feeling. Yeah.
You have to cut me whenever I talk. No, सुधर जाना भाई, सुधर जा, थोड़ा तो सुधर तू. हाँ. So I was saying that we know help is one अच्छा सुनना यार away.
Oh, yeah. True. Very true.
So
Yeah,
I
but-
really had fun in this conversation. मेरे को तो बहुत मजा आया.
Same.
It was
And
an
the time
action.
actually went very quickly.
Yeah, it did. My God. Realize ही नहीं हुआ.
Now I'll just have to like get more people so
Ah,
that each week is like Vikrant editing and you all have like more honest conversations.
No, I have to edit other videos also. So I.
तेरा काम बढ़ने वाला है. तेरा काम बढ़ने वाला है.
So because we see because right now I'm carrying a lot of hats already. If you don't know, I am currently in the process of rewriting a book.
Oh yeah.
Rewriting. How come?
Yeah.
So my first book, it didn't do so well. But given the current market, my literary agent has said that the genre is coming back. So if we can rewrite it again, we can get it republished.
Okay.
Because the story is quite good,
It is.
according to him. I don't know. I
No,
don't know.
please,
She's my sounding
बहुत
board,
अच्छा
so
होगा.
she can tell. So like I am currently in the works of rewriting my first book. I am going through a serious case of writer's block as of this moment. So I'm trying to work that out first. Yeah. Also, we are working on a project of our own. We are collaborating on a book together. So that is there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Already बहुत कुछ है इन कंधों पे.
No, but we always try and make time for honest conversations because this is actually our happy place. Because यहाँ से हंसते खेलते हुए हम लोग जाते हैं and then we get the peace of mind and to do the rest of the work that needs to be done.
That's true. That's
good.
अच्छा सुनो यार, ये कॉन्वर्सेशन फॉर एवर चलती रहेगी. आई थिंक हमें अभी इस कॉन्वर्सेशन को इसके मुकाम तक, इसके कंक्लूजन तक पहुंचा देना चाहिए फॉर नाउ बिकॉज हम तो वी आर तो डेफिनेटली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू टॉकिंग टू यू अगेन बेवली. जैसे भी टाइम मिलता है, however it is, we are definitely looking forward to have yet another honest conversation. उसमें कोई वादा नहीं है. पर क्या है ना, अगर हम चलते रहे ना तो हमारे व्यूअर्स का थोड़ा अभी ख्याल रखना पड़ेगा ना.
सही बात है.
इतना my heart will go on and on तो नहीं, मतलब heart will go on and on, but if this video goes on and on, then I don't know. I mean, we want our viewers to continue to have honest conversations beyond this video as well.
True.
So thank you so much, Beverly, for joining us on this honest conversation.
Thank you for inviting me.
We're so happy to have you. I'm so glad that you're glad to be here. Vikrant, this time you take it away.
The credits part.
So guys, we hope nothing but peace of mind for you. We hope nothing but laughter in your lives, and have fun. Stay away from that dark space. If you think you need help, we are just a phone call away. You can talk to her. She's a mental health professional. You can talk to me. I'm not a mental health professional, but I can lend you my ear. So with that, all we can say is we are Team AM.